He's negotiating himself down.
Well, we want to try to get
Yeah, I mean,
as much stuff as...
how much for an instant collection if I got all the brass animals?
Oh boy.
Oh, that'd be so cool. Plus, I really like the horse thing we got her from the horse.
Morning. There's some chalk in there.
Yeah.
Do you wanna?
Oh, at art class, we saw this guy and he was really good at doing art and chalk art, and it looked 3D and it was really cool.
Really?
I don't know his name.
This Christmas is going to be the best.
Charlie Brown.
I just know. All it needs is a little love.
It's already getting warm.
I know.
Quick.
Crazy.
It was nice for a little bit.
Awesome.
Actually, I got two.
That's okay. I just need one. Thank you so much.
How much are these?
Just $1 for both those two.
A yo-yo.
50 cents even is fine.
Oh, the tiny arcades. Like, people should start getting the tiny arcades instead of the big ones because you can bring them anywhere you go.
Bring them in
and
the car.
Yeah, and they're
Yeah.
and they're cheaper.
True. Well, it's actually working. I'm playing. All right, thank you. Liberty, liberty, liberty. He got the Liberty song stuck in my head. A lot of military stuff.
I'll have a.
Morning.
Morning.
Hey, Dad, look, it's little
Wow.
trees.
How much are your watches?
The Invicta is 90. I'm selling the Sun 2 for 60, and then these I'll do for 20.
Okay.
The whole thing.
It's troll.
Dad, look at this.
That's cool.
Is it metal?
Mm,
Brass, big heavy elephant.
brass elephant.
Wow. Wait, does that have a baby inside?
They drain all the yolk out of it.
It's an egg, but it's been emptied. It's empty.
Oh.
Wow. Is this part of this? Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's a waffle maker. It's
So you put it on.
1922.
There's a lot of.
It's not cheap.
No, yeah, it's sticky too.
Yeah.
Alright, so ask him. Guys?
How much is this?
How much is that? $2.
Yeah, I can actually give it to Preston now. She'll get
$3, $5,
No,
$10.
oh. Now you're over her
Okay.
her budget.
You have a budget?
She has a budget. She wanted to get it for her friend.
Yeah, because her pet cricket died.
You say these are brass?
Yeah, they're brass.
Oh, cool.
It's pretty cool. You don't see those everywhere.
No, yeah, where did you even get something like that?
My wife collected all that stuff for, I don't know how, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Be sure to be careful with the things you don't bend them and break them off.
Yeah, be careful with them.
Yeah.
Anna, this one's actually really cool.
Yeah, I saw those, but I feel like I might like if I put them up, I feel like I've picked it up a little bit and it's heavy, and I feel like it would, if I put it up, Callie would drop it and it would land on the floor and she would hurt. Her.
Gotcha.
I'm selling the Invicta for 90.
How much are these bigger brass ones?
Well, I don't know. I think that thing goes with this nickel-plated lamp down here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what it was.
Does that fit in there, Chris?
Maybe.
I don't know if it does
Maybe
or
it sits
not.
on the bottom.
Oh.
That's not the same thing,
No.
right? Okay. It might be for a different one.
This is kind of cool too.
No, this doesn't even.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
I was waiting for her to bring you back.
Like that thing opens. I have no
Oh,
idea.
Yeah, squirrel.
You probably just use it as decoration anyway.
Yeah. So what do you think on this guy?
A horse head.
It's a horse head.
Here, Dad. Is it for you or for you?
This one's for me. She got that one.
Oh.
Its price is higher when it's for me.
Oh, yeah. I'm jealous of your beard, so.
Ah, yeah, you can get there. Yours is already good.
I don't know. $5.
$5.
$4.
He's negotiating himself down.
Well, we want to try to get
Yeah, I mean,
as much stuff as.
how much for an instant collection if I got all the brass animals?
Oh boy.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
Is that including the grasshopper?
She bought that one
She already
already,
paid
yeah,
for
for
it.
2.
Dad, look, there's a
Okay.
duck one.
So if one is 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, there's a fly.
13, 14, 15. 30 for all of them.
30.
Yeah.
Kind of exactly the number that was in my head. I was hoping I could negotiate, but you're already exactly where I wanted to be.
Yeah, I mean.
Can you throw in this little rock?
Yeah.
Just because I like the way it feels in my hand?
Sure.
This little thing?
Oh,
Yeah? Okay. I've like gotten addicted to it just sitting at your stand, just playing with it. Alright, $30. I'll do it.
Oh, you got the fly?
I got them all, yeah. We got a whole collection now.
Because I saw that it did this.
Oh, cool, I didn't
on
realize it.
Marketplace, these people were selling these for all different prices.
Yeah. Ooh. This one.
And my mom just kept buying brass.
That's what he was saying, yeah,
Brass,
she collected them.
brass.
I don't
Yeah, but
know.
it's not an animal.
It's not an animal, yeah, this is sold separately. What is that?
It's a nutcracker. Probably for walnuts or almonds.
That's kind of cool.
I know it's old, I just don't know. Can't date it.
What, $3 on that?
Look at this squirrel.
3? Yeah? Oops. Broken
You
now.
can have a squirrel, it's fine.
You can have it for Elijah. Her brother's scared of squirrels. She likes
You
to
got
get
a 5,
squirrels.
I can give you 2 back.
Actually, I have 3.
Okay.
I'm good like that. I bring
Dad,
small
look.
bills.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, a duck. That's a hand carved, maybe? No.
And look.
Careful, careful.
Look. Oh, that a goose.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a duck. That's a duck.
Don't want to break.
No, you have to plug it in?
Oh, actually, you know what they have over here that I completely missed is they have these really nice Pyrex thingies. Like Pyrex. The Corningware.
Those are interchangeable.
What's that?
Grasshopper wasn't $20.
Yeah, that's cool.
They just took all the here.
Corningware.
yeah, like all of it goes together with this little thing that he's got in his hand. That's the motor for all of it.
That plugs into that?
These are crazy.
Wait, where'd the nutcracker thing go?
I put it all in that box if you want to. I don't know, your grasshopper might break if you put it in there.
Yeah. Like antennas.
Are these marble?
They could rub this together and make it
Any clue what that is? Is that marble or?
Oh, what it's made out of? I
Yeah.
don't know. It seems like it's heavy like marble, but I
Yeah,
have
but
no
it's
idea.
not. I don't think it's marble, but
I don't know where you got it.
and it's not
got
ivory.
it's got the veins for marble.
Yeah.
These are like
Are they bookends, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. How much are those?
those are his.
I'm
Yeah,
into
how
his
much
stuff.
for these? Is this actual marble? You know?
It's not marble, but
It's
those
fake
are
marble.
burnings.
Dad, does this make a sound if you blow into it?
I think it's a pipe. Don't put your mouth on it. 10 for the set.
That's 200.
Disconnected.
Yeah.
I would love
It's
to
a
know
1922
what is.
cast iron waffle maker.
Uh-oh, that's yours.
Yeah, it's alright. I paid for them already, but
okay,
you can
that's
look at them.
alright.
But I did already. I already locked them in.
Are you getting these two?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I think they're cool.
Alright.
He said 10, right?
I guess.
He said, well, just make sure. I think he said 10, but
Dad, you say 10 for these?
What do you mean? I'm sorry?
10 for these? $10?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. 'Cause I thought he said that. I just didn't want to, if he was saying something different, go against him.
Dad, how much for the glasses?
The baby for sale.
5,000.
Hey, that's actually not bad. It's an iron, right? Is this an iron?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, a really old iron.
Wow, that's crazy.
Waffle maker?
It looks so different.
My mom liked old stuff, and she
Yeah.
just decorated on every shelf of it.
Oh, you got it locked in. Okay.
Oh, I don't.
I don't know how you did. Yeah, when I lifted it, they came apart, but you got them to stay together.
You gotta push it down.
Ah, okay.
I guess you put water in there? I have no idea.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Hi,
You really like that duck, huh?
no, because you like that.
I do like him.
I'll buy it for you.
Yeah, I can wrap it.
He's not expensive.
Plenty of boxes and stuff.
I don't really. Maybe he might be worth something. You can ask. This is cool. I kind of want those Corningware
Which weight you
dishes.
buying in? The 6'5"?
Okay, how are you?
I'll ask him for you. How was the snake?
How was what?
How doesn't sound like this?
I don't know. These are cool though. Alright, we should probably go. I'm just like into all this stuff. Are these your Corningware dishes down on the floor? How much are those? For all three?
Dad, can I
Do
put
that.
this down right here?
Yeah, you can put it in there.
Okay, you can give it to him.
Do you have change for a 20? Hi.
That's ironwood, that's why it's so heavy.
Oh. Do they use it for like floors?
Dad, for the wood dolphin?
$1. And that's ironwood too. That's why it's so heavy. That's what they call it, ironwood.
How much is the duck?
50 cents.
There you go.
I think I have
She does. Well, she has a 1, I think.
Wait, I think I have one. Yeah, it's at the bottom.
What are these made out of?
I think it's, I've been trying to figure that out.
Yeah,
That one's
They might
missing the
be
bottom.
coated zinc.
These are,
zinc. Oh,
See, they don't make hardly any
this one's
noise.
taped together.
interesting.
My
Yeah. No, you don't need to untape it. I was just curious about them. Ah, that's interesting.
$1 for all 4? I'll do 5 for that.
All right. I gotta stop spending. Excuse me, sir. Pardon me. Oh, glass everywhere. All right, Anna. Guard this stuff. I'll be right back.
Did you even ask how much they are?
I don't want them to. I think they're cool, but I don't know.
Did you even ask how much they are?
No.
I'll ask for you.
Okay, if you want to, you can ask.
Okay.
I think it's all his stuff. The guy in the back.
Okay.
Here, let me go ahead and buy you for this.
What are you asking about?
Okay. See those two wooden things right there? Right in front of
These?
you? My wife had these sitting on those hanging on the wall.
Oh, interesting. That's a cool idea.
They actually look kind of neat.
Yeah, so you just kind of.
Yeah.
Ajá.
That is cool.
Pero, ¿les haya chiste usted? ¿Les haya chiste? No.
They're cool.
He wants some.
He wants them?
Yeah.
I'm interested in them.
Okay. You can have it all for $5.
With the stands?
Yeah.
All right. We'll do it. We'll do it. She really wants me to buy them. She must think they're cool.
That's because you can do this with them.
No, don't make them kiss. Hey.
Hold on now,
PG,
wait.
PG. Oh boy. Kids these days. All right.
A little bit dusty.
Yeah, it's all right. All right, Anna, let's
We
go.
better run before you get more stuff.
Yeah, seriously.
All right.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that sale. I think it was pretty fun. I was with Annabelle. The first sale, I got a little Pac-Man arcade thing for $1.50. I think $1. That I already sold for 10. So that one's kind of well and done and dusted. But I also got a ton of brass at the next sale and other kind of collectible stuff. And I think that was a really cool find. I went to that sale and I was there for a little bit and I played with the cast iron waffle maker, which was really cool, but he wanted $200 for it. And it was like incredibly sticky. I had to cut out a bunch of footage where I'm just trying to get my hands clean. I had to go out to my car and dump water on my hands to try to get, I don't even know what it was. It must be something to take care of cast iron, something sticky that you protect cast iron with. But anyways, I did go back to that sale with my daughter. She wanted the little brass cricket for her friend, or grasshopper. I don't even remember what it was. And I was like, maybe I should just buy all this brass. And so I made him an offer on all the brass. I think we did like $30. You guys just watched the footage, so you know, but for me, it was like a week or two ago. But yeah, there was a lot of good profit in the brass stuff. That fly ashtray already sold for $20. And that horse head I've got listed for $52, and it already has several watchers, $52. Elephant I found sold comps for $30. The antelope I found sold comps for $20. And then I'm gonna lot the 3 cranes together for like $30. And then the 2 little, what was it, like a little rocking horse is like $15. Anyways, the brass I'm going to make some really solid profit on. The little nutcracker sells for like $12, the one with Shakespeare on it. So yeah, really cool brass buy. The horses that I got, the white horses, like the bookends, I cannot figure out what they're made out of. Maybe it's unpolished marble, maybe it's white jade. I listed it as like unknown, right? I don't know what it is. And I listed it high because I couldn't find any comps. I don't know if it'll sell that high. I put it at $100 or $110. I have no clue. They might be worth $20. We'll see. Time will tell. Tune into NC Flipper, my other channel, and if they ever do sell, we'll talk about it there for sure. And then I bought those like the Asian figures that looked like they were carved out of like a bone or resin or something like that. And I only found one active comp for those, and the person selling them has them listed at $150. They have not sold. So I'm not sure what they're worth. I think I came in at like $50 less. I think I just listed mine for $100. And again, I don't know if those are worth it. I'm not like an antique collector or into collectibles. So I grabbed them because the price was right. Figured I'd try it out. Oh, and I also got some Corningware, Tupperware stuff, which, you know, doesn't sell for much. This one is pretty big. It's a crock pot, I think they call it. No, they don't call it. They call it a Dutch oven, which doesn't look like a Dutch oven to me. That one sells for like 20, and then the other 2 sell for like 10 to 15 each. I'm still kind of torn on whether or not I just keep those for my own kitchen or sell them, because they're gonna be hard to ship and they're kind of nice. So I'm still torn on if I'm keeping them or not. Anyways, that was pretty much everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out my other channel. Please hit the like button, comment down below, and come back next time for some more picking.